Hello everyone. Today we are going to be working with mother of pearl. This is a button that is made from mother of pearl and I've had it for a long time. It's very beautiful and as you can see is a big size. So I'm planning to make a ring out of it. This is 18 gauge wire, 15 centimeters length. It's naturally oxidized and goes very well with this button. I'm going to use a mandrel because I want to check the ring size, and sometimes we tend to make, because I need to meet it between both the ring size, it should meet in between and it is not. So in that case the smaller size you can just keep opening and the larger wire you can just keep turning till they both reach in between and you get the same. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to cross it and then add it to our button, and you will see why I am doing that. Once I cross it and add it, I'm going to put it back into the mandrel because that will give me a correct size and it'll become easy for me to adjust the size. Add it back to the mandrel to your ring size and yeah, press crosswise. So that way you get the exact size. If you put it straight, it's very difficult to crisscross it. So once you do that, I'm going to make a basic rose on it. You can go with whatever design you want. So what I'm going to do is put it back in the mandrel if you want to make the rose, or you can remove it and just do it normally also. So you just cross it slowly. Now I'm not going to press it too much down on this mother of pearl because it's a delicate button and I do not want to break it. But if you have any fancy buttons, they might be able to hold a 18 gauge wire. So I'm just going very lightly, and also because I need space underneath these swirls to end, because I have no space, I have to close everything on top. So I'm just going to make sure my wire keeps on swirling under. So every time I do that, it's got a better chance of holding on its own without any more requirement of pressing it. So you see, it's very simple. I'm just molding it nicely and making sure the ends go under. That is the basic thing that we're looking at. Now you can go with your plier. I'm going to check again. I have these tiny pliers that they're super cute and they will not spoil the button. And then I'm going to close the ends underneath. So that is the reason why I was not pressing it when I first started making the rose. So now the other end too, make sure that it is nicely coiled away inside, and because this is 18 gauge, there's no chance of it being able to come out. Thicker gauge wires stay exactly the way you wrap them. That's the best part about using 18 gauge. And you're all done. You can try it. And also what we're going to do is, because this is an oxidized wire, I'm going to go in with my steel wool and clean it up nicely, and after which I'm going to give a nice quick soap wash also, because I don't want any residue or small uh, copper pieces over there after I clean it up. And this is another one that I had made before. So two of them. I hope you like them, and please use whatever buttons you like. I would love to see more creatives, and do try it. It's very nice way to reuse all the buttons that you don't want to throw away. Thank you.